Hey MMT followers, Christina Fuges back for another quick MMT chat. And today I'm getting the scoop from Cavalier Tool and Manufacturing on how they use virtual reality to demonstrate and educate.
Virtual reality is something that has been utilized to demonstrate and to educate and to better describe things in many industries. And when we looked at it 6 months ago, we thought we could do something with a mold. We really did it initially to attract people to trade shows, to let them know what we're doing, show them our molds, and then as we got good feedback from people at the trade show, we started to think that maybe we could utilize this actually in the manufacturing process in terms of training people who need to understand it better, both in the mold shop, in our own mold shop, so we have apprentices, we can allow them to put on the headset, they can go inside the mold, look at different parts, pull parts out. But then that same thing can be translated to our customer who has the processing side of the equation, where they have operators that would never get to see a mold inside. They only see the outside of it, they know how it hooks up, they basically know how to run it. But if they better understand what's inside the mold, they can actually put the headset on, walk right inside the tool. So we would have to develop a model for each specific tool at a cost to the customer, but I think for them it would be a good training resource as well, and this is something that we'll develop in the future. But initially it was just something to get some attention, and I think it's been very well received. Well, specifically with this, you can see the mold running in the machine. You can see individual components of the mold running without the mold showing, which is interesting. So you can see a mechanism in there, and you want to see how that operates. So everything else goes into wireframe, and you just see that component running. Then you can walk inside, close, right inside. You can see water lines. You can see flow channels, hot runner flow channels, and that's in the playback mode. If you go into the explore mode, you can actually pull parts out of the machine, put them on a table, grab them with your hand, take a 10-ton block and rotate it around, which is kind of cool, and see every aspect, every angle of every part. There's also a feature in there where you can click on suppliers that supply parts for that mold, and those parts will come out. So I think that in that respect, it's a pretty good tool. But they developed the virtual reality portion with the software. We do the modeling of the machine and the mold, and then we tell them how molds work, so that when they manipulate parts in the play mode, that the right parts are moving with the right parts, because they don't know molds. So we did the mold modeling, they did the software development for it.